हे गाइस, अभी सुबह के बज रहे हैं 6:15 और हम लोग अभी बहुत जल्दी से रेडी होके कैंडोलिम बीच जाएंगे। सो गाइस, वी आर ऑफ टू कैंडोलिम बीच। सो राइट नाउ हम लोग स्टे कर रहे हैं ना राय बंदर में, जहाँ पे हमारा होटल है। सो फ्रॉम देयर दिस बीच इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली लाइक हाफ एन आवर 26 minutes. So it will take a while, but see, whenever we are like going through this, the greenery of Goa just amazes me. Pretty much Goa is a collection of small townships, and all the houses are like they have a old architectural touch in it. Not only that, like you can see some of the houses are so colorful, like bright colors are used. And baki you can see the green, it's just green, it's just wow. So finally we have reached Candolim beach, and most of the time when we go like that now sand pe, I just feel that मैं गिर जाऊंगी. That's a crazy feeling, like from inside it is warning me कि गिर मत जाना सैमी, गिर मत जाना. So देखो ना मेरे पापा कैसे आगे आगे जा रहे हैं. This is no doubt the one of the best beach in Goa in terms of relaxing, and if you consider like if you like less crowded areas. Pretty much अभी तो crowd है ही नहीं. So here we go. So this is one of the most preferred, North Goa ka beach, and this is like clean, serene, and actually this was a very cloudy day, so you can see कि थोड़ा shady है, and because of this pandemic, it's like nothing, no crowd is there. And since it was like pandemic time, इसलिए beach waters ऐसे भी prohibited है, and even the shacks are closed, but pretty much the beach is clean, and it's nice. One of the specialty of Candolim beach is like which draws a large number of tourists here is this has like a beautiful place which is like fun and adventurous and serenity. देखो अभी तो right now it's pandemic time, तो कोई water sports, sea diving है नहीं, but this is a place where it offers all kind of adventures, for skiing, bump rides, banana rides, everything will be there in a normal day. Candolim beach is situated in a town known as Vagator, and if you know Sunburn Festival, so 2008 Sunburn was held here. Look at the nice tides, it's so beautiful. मैं आपको इतने अच्छे अच्छे बीचेस दिखा रही हूँ, इतनी अच्छी ब्यूटी में कैमरे में कैप्चर करके आपको दिखा रही हूँ. सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड शेयर. Candolim Beach actually is such an enchanting beach which stretches from Aguada Fort to Chapora Beach. So, अब हम लोग ना will go to Aguada Fort. See, this Aguada Fort is divided into lower and upper forts. And the lower Aguada is also easy to locate on road maps because वहीं पे Taj Vivanta is also located, Taj Vivanta of Goa. So from there one can enjoy great views of blue ocean depending on the tide of Aguada beach. This is so pretty, and पता कितने the wind is like it's such a windy day, and you can see clouds like I don't know कब बारिश हो जाए, ऐसी हालत है, and it's really windy. So let's move on and see. इस फोर्ट के ना प्रोट्रूडिंग पोर्शन में देर आर कैनन होल्स. दिस अग्वारा फोर्ट वॉज बिल्ड एक्चुअली टू गार्ड एंड डिफेंड द Portuguese stronghold in Goa against the Marathas and Dutch invaders. And because of this location at the Arabian Sea and the Mandovi River, it has become the most prized fortress of the Portuguese back in 17th century. इसका architectural style is more like the Portuguese military architecture, and this was pretty much under control of Portuguese people. It's quite a long way to reach the main lower portion of the fort. This is the back portion of Taj Vivanta. Can you see the beach, guys? It's nice. Still अभी भी fort थोड़ा दूर है and we have to walk a bit more. So यहाँ से ना फिर नीचे सीढ़ियाँ हैं और फिर सीढ़ियों से again we have to सीढ़ियाँ उतर के फिर उस साइड से चढ़ना पड़ेगा to get the main view. And you know guys, मुझे सीढ़ियों से उतरते वक्त actually डर लगता है. And you know the fort के सीढ़ीज are like more like very high. So I'm getting down. And फिर यहाँ से फिर चढ़ना है to get the main view. And since कोई hand support नहीं है तो I am actually very scared. क्योंकि ऊपर से हाथ में कैमरा है, एक्स्ट्रा बैटरीज, फिर एक बैकपैक है, तो I am scared. And since it's a bit of like I think सुबह बारिश हुई है तो it's a bit dirty. So it's dirty. So guys, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Can you see guys, like people are already like wearing raincoat. Like they know that it might rain. And this raincoat वाले people are like fishermen जो ऐसी फिशिंग कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Still here few people are there enjoying the beauty. Okay, we are right now going back because it has already started raining. Ah, such a beautiful rain. इसलिए हम लोग एक शेड पे वेट कर रहे थे हमारा ड्राइवर आके गाड़ी ले जाए. That's something I was not expecting, but yeah, सबको रेनकोट और ऐसे क्लाउडी डेज देख के तो लग ही रहा था कि बारिश हो ही जाएगी. नाउ अभी जैसे बारिश थोड़ी कम होने लगी है तो we will be leaving for a church. And this church is Our Lady of Immaculate Conception Church. So now we are going to Panji क्योंकि we are going to visit Our Lady of Immaculate Conception Church. So finally we have reached there. वैसे उसके आसपास के एरियाज भी अगर आप देखें तो it is like old buildings and they have that architectural beauty to it. So guys, this is Our Lady of Immaculate Conception Church and this is in Panaji. It is one of the oldest church in Goa and it has an elegant outer structure with a double flight symmetrical stairs. It is a very fine example of Baroque architecture. And one more thing is this church has the second largest bell in Goa. So bye guys, I'll be back with another video of rest of the day that I spent in Goa visiting different places. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe.